Are you looking for dropshipping supplier for your Netherlands dropshipping business on all over the European? Okay, so right now you are in the right place. I am Nazmul Hassan. I am giving dropshipping fulfillment shipping service from China to worldwide, and also we have a EU warehouse. So just see what service we are giving, and the Netherlands shipping times, all also European shipping times, and so this is the Netherlands 4 to 6 days shipping time. Okay, so I will show you some of the shipping tracking number, which is like this one delivered 4 days. Okay, like China to Netherlands, and the items has been successfully delivered. Okay, and also in here China to Austria, Australia, Netherlands. Okay, and every shipping times is 4 to 5 days. And in also we have another batch. Okay, another batch of orders that which is also like it's Belgium, Austria, Netherlands. Okay, so every orders shipping times average, okay, 4 to 5 days, and we have successfully shipped all order. Okay, and you can check the green mark. Okay, you can check the green mark. Okay, and this is the Netherlands. And if you need any types of products like from China to or other European countries, so no problem, because we already shown you the tracking details, shipping times. Okay, and also what product our client selling. So our client selling this types of winter product, because right now is winter season, but we can ship all types of products. We are AliExpress, any types of product we can ship. Just you will give the product link, image, we will match from the best factory, and we will give you the best price. Okay, and this product has 40 plus daily order, this one has 35, and this one has 50 plus. Okay, also we have lot of products that have 100 plus order, but if I am right now show you one by one, so it needs a lot of time. And how our service actually work. Okay, and how what type of service you will get. So one personal agent. Okay, anytime we can give you the personal support, real-time sourcing anytime. Okay, 24/7, anytime you can give just product, which product you need. We have the best team to give you the product sourcing service. Okay, and winning product recommendation, we have the best criteria, data driven systems. We will give you the recommend you the best winning products. Bulk single price, we can ship bulk product, we can ship single piece, it's your requirement. Custom packaging, private label, 24/7, and also we can ship TikTok, Shopify winning products, or Amazon. It's a lot of types of products. Okay, and right now we are working 100 plus European stores. Okay, also we are working with USA, Canada, Australia stores, but this video is only for the European client specifically, so that's why I am showing you our EU dropshipping service. And the what you have a benefit or you have a good gift, I will show you that. If you have daily 50 plus order, you will get free custom packaging, free thank you card, and free private label. So it's if you only have 50 plus daily order. Okay, so this is the very good opportunity for you. And also my friend, if you have like other products, okay, like AliExpress, like fashion, jewelry, kitchen, pet products, every types of products, just you will give the product link or image, we will give you the price. And next step, you will only give us the ERP access from your store, and we will start to fulfill orders. And within 24 hours, okay, a maximum 24 hours, the order will be fulfilled. Okay, order will be fulfilled, and within 2 days the product order processing will be done, and the shipping times will be start. Okay, to Netherlands, to USA, to EU, so any types of countries. Okay, so my friend, that's it. If you need any types of helps for your fulfillment, or if you are really interesting to work with me for your Netherlands dropshipping business, just contact me. Okay.